If you want the camera for vlogging, perfect for your budget, then go with the Sony 6400. But hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put the two camera from 2016 and 2019, and I will share you why I choose the Panasonic GX85 or GX80 over the Sony 6400 in 2024. So let's find out. So again guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So let's start now guys. First, the Sony 6400 announced last January 15 of 2019 with the price of 748, or let's say 750 US dollar in the market. So again, this price guys I got in the shop in the US. So this is the price, but again, the price will be depends on your local market. While the Panasonic GX85 or the GX80 announced last April 5 of 2016. Unfortunately, mostly you can find it in used market or used camera in the used market. Ganon. So yeah. So again guys, if you want to use the camera for filming, vlogging, or something, if you want more new specs or with the best value of money and specs, again, I'd rather take the Sony 6400. So this is the Sony 6400. Yeah. So I rather choose the Sony 6400 over the Panasonic GX85. Of course, first you have already a 24 megapixel sensor, crop sensor. Again, 24 megapixel crop sensor, while the Panasonic GX85 is 16 megapixel MFT or micro four thirds. So you have a smaller sensor. Next, you have already focus points, which we have more. Focusing points is 425 focusing points compared for 49. You have more faster of burst mode is 11 frames per second compared for 8 frames per second. Then you have already more battery life, 410 shots compared for 290 shots. You have microphone port, you have more better dynamic range, 13.6 versus 12.6. You have NFC connection, Bluetooth, animal eye autofocus tracking, webcam function, and eye tracking focus. So, yan. If you are, again, if you like this specs, if you need that specs, then go with the Sony 6400. But because I like the camera, compact camera for street photography, that's why I choose the Lumix GX85 for my everyday carry-on camera, and yeah. And again, it's good for street photography because it's more smaller. Actually, the Sony 6400 is smaller, but when you put a lens, it become more bigger because I think the DN lens from sa Sigma, they have smaller, but compare for the Lumix, the Panasonic 1232, which is like a pancake and smaller compare for, so this is the pancake guys. So it's too small. You have already 1232. Yan, for your Lumix Panasonic. That's why I choose the Panasonic. Again, my first reason why I select the Lumix Panasonic GX85 or GX80, because of the price. Yan guys, the price you can get from the market, used market, maybe around 500 or less than 500 US dollar. 400, I got mine for 200. I think 200 US dollar. Yeah, equivalent for 200 US dollar in perfect condition. Yan. Next, reason number 2 is the censorship in body stabilization. Again, you have already stabilization of the censorship image stabilization for the Panasonic GX85 compared for the Sony 6400. Reason number 3 is the post-focus mode. Yeah, after you take a photos for the post-focus mode, you can change the focus after you save the photo. So that is only with the GX85 or GX80. Number 4 is the lens price. So again guys, if you check to the market now, I use lenses like MFT lenses. There's a tons of lenses which is more affordable and cheaper compared for Sony 6400. And for the last one is the build quality. I like the build quality of this one guys. It's like a build like a tank. Solid, but it's not a weather sealed camera, but it's fine. It's solid, and that's the 5 reason why I like the Panasonic Lumix GX85. So again guys, these two cameras share some similarity. Again, they are both unlimited video recording, wireless connection, built-in flash, external flash shoe, touchscreen, electronic viewfinder, face detection, focus, time-lapse recording, smart pan remote, both 100 megabits per second bitrate, and of course, it's UHS 1. You did UHS 2. They're both UHS 1. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I just want you to share why I choose the Lumix GX85 over the 6400 because of that 5 reasons. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for all the Sony product that we have here in AB World, you can visit our website www.abworld.com, or if you want to check all the mirrorless camera that we have here, compact camera, again, visit our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.